Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dean. If this is your first time here, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. So today, I basically just have some more baby freebies. So if that's something you're interested in watching, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so this is gonna be really quick. It's not that much to show, just like 4 or 5 things, so really quick. So the first thing I have is from 7th Generation. It just came in a little envelope here, and it is some baby wipes. It is 10 baby wipes in here. Those look like that. And it also came with this little welcome letter here. And a coupon for the wipes. So yeah, to go ahead and get this, you just sign up for it's like an email group type thing. It's called Generation Good. I'll go ahead and leave the information down below. So you just sign up and you fill out a questionnaire based on like surveys and stuff. They'll match you with certain items. I've received samples of laundry detergent, the wipes, and I think I have some more wipes and diapers on the way as well. So yeah, that came from 7th Generation. And next, I have something from Similac here. And it's not really much. It's just like a bunch of coupons. Yeah, so it's just like $5 coupons here. I'm just hiding my personal information here. But yeah, it's just a bunch of coupons, and that's pretty much it. And that's from Similac. And to sign up with them, I think it's just like Similac.com or something like that. I'll go ahead and put that below if I remember the actual website. So then from, I forget where I saw this, but basically it's prenatal vitamins. It came like that, and the name of the company is Vitafol. Looks like that in this little box here. I'm 9 months pregnant at this point. Like, yeah, it came pretty quick though, I will say that. But it's basically just some prenatal vitamins, and I can still take these because I am gonna breastfeed, but I just have to do a little bit more research on it. So yeah, it comes like that, and it's 12 of them. So yeah, I guess it's like a new company of prenatal vitamins, and it just looks like that. And this was sent to me for free from this company. So I guess you can just go to their website and request them if you want to try those out. Then from the Baby Box Co., they have, as I mentioned before in my other videos, on the Baby Box Co., you take classes, and for your classes you get certain rewards. So for the class that I took, it was an insurance class, and the reward was just well, this is the insurance company called Ladder. This is it here. So you just take it's a life insurance company if you're interested in purchasing life insurance. So yeah, you just take the class and they just send you out a little onesie. It looks like that. So yeah, that is cute. So yeah, I got that, and that was from the Baby Box Co. / Ladder, I guess you can say. Then I received another box from Enfamil, and if you saw my last one, that I put with my Walmart unboxing, it was pretty small in comparison to this one. So yeah, this one I actually just got today, and it looks like that. So yeah, it's another booklet of coupons here, and yeah, it's like $5 amounts. So it's another little booklet of coupons, as well as just some information packs here, and some more coupons here. Now about these coupons, if you're expecting and you see coupons like these, like, or even I noticed they'll generate on like my Instagram or Facebook newsfeed, these aren't good. I mean, you can use them, but they're senseless, to be honest. Like the first one, this one, the $50 gift card for the canopy. These little canopy things are not $50. You can find them on Amazon for like $12. And what they'll do is you'll enter the code for the $50. It'll take $50 off of a canopy cover that's not even worth $50, and you still have to pay like $16.95 for shipping and handling. So I haven't looked at all of these, but most of these I have tried and did not order from. So stay away from these coupons. Even if you see like the codes or something, stay away from these. Just order it, you know, straight up if that's the product you want. So yeah, just wanted to get that out the way, because I don't know if they're getting people with that, but yeah. So next is just yeah, more information on Enfamil here, and in it, this is pretty much the products you get. So you get 2 of the infant formula. These are ready to use here, and it comes with the little attachment for the bottles. You also get 8 ounces of the NeuroPro here, which is a pretty good size. You get 8 ounces of the sensitive formula here, and you get 8 ounces of the Gentle Ease here. So yeah, that is pretty good. I'll probably supplement a little, but I am gonna pump for the most part. So this is really, really good to have, and even if I don't use it, I can always donate it, or, you know, give it to someone who needs it. So that's really, really good from Enfamil. I'll go ahead and leave the information below on how to sign up to get those products. So the next thing I got is from Huggies. So yeah, so it just looks like that. I'm covering up my address, hopefully I don't have to cut that out, but yeah, so I tore the box up completely wrong. It's supposed to like flap over, but like the Enfamil box, but whatever, you get the point. So first thing that comes in here is another pack of the special delivery Huggies here, and it's 3 in a size 1. Looks like that. Also get 16 of the sensitive skin natural care Huggies. Looks like that. And okay, you get a couple of coupons here for $3 off. and congratulations from Huggies. It's really, really cute. I think I say really, really cute a lot, but whatever, y'all get it. So yeah, just some information on the Huggies, this actual product that I have. So yeah, so basically it's just this little product here. Let me open it. So it's like a monogram, custom made little pamper. So it's a little basketball, and I did pick this design, so you can go ahead and pick yours on the website too. And it just says hello, I'm junior, established in 2019. So yeah, it's just a little basketball, and this is the front of it here. Yeah, that's the front of it, and this is the back of it. So yeah, these are really, really cute, and this was sent for free, as you may know from the title. So yeah, that is everything I have so far. So Huggies, Enfamil, this vitamin place, Vital Foam, 7th generation, and the Baby Box Cold Wet Ladder. So those are all the freebies that I have right now, and I do have more stuff coming in. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments on how to get some of this stuff, just go ahead and leave it down below. I'll answer, you know, whatever I can. And yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe, comment, like, share, all of that, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.